Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to finish the box that we started making last week. We're only going to finish it with battery tools and hand tools, like we would if we're in the field. And another surprising thing guys, we're going to give this box away. I'm going to take it in the city and I'm going to randomly give it away to someone with surprising results. So stay tuned to the end of the video guys to see how I give the box away right now. That was a lot harder than what I thought, guys. We're back in the shed now. This is where I really like to be. And we're going to finish the box that we made over the park. So pretend like I'm out in the field. I'm only going to use battery powered tools and hand tools. I'm not going to use my saws or my sanders or anything. I've glued the splines in. The sander worked great. Look at that. Sanded it up quite well. Took a little bit of sanding, but yeah, no, come on, good. The next thing we have to do is to cut the top to size. I fitted the top. The planer worked well, didn't it? The butter worked really well. As did the sander. Get a brand new saw and the saw do the work. That's the trick to it. Okay guys, the next trick we're going to do is to round over all the corners now. Then we can drill for the pin hinge lid. And then we can sand it all up. Yay! It's going well now. I've got all the lid fitted and all rounded over, even rounded over. Now I sand the lid up next and also the box, because we're going to hinge the lid next. Guys, the lid is all hinged now. Kind of great. So I'm going to put some Badook plugs into the holes here. And I'm going to put some Fijian carry legs on it. So I'll just glue them in now. And then all we've got to do tomorrow is to do the tray. And then sand it all up. And it'll be done. And then I'm going to give it away, as I said. I don't know how I'm going to give it away yet, but I'm going to give it away. I might leave it somewhere. I might give it to a person. I'm not sure. We're done. I got the tray in. You see how I put that together with the nail gun? So the box is finished. Just going to sand it all up now. I'm going to finish it with Danish oil. So I'm just going to rub a couple of coats of Danish oil on. And after the Danish oil goes on, we'll put the red bottom in. So what a box, guys. Started in the park with a disaster and ended up not too bad. Just using all my battery operated tools like I would outside. But mate, it's bloody cold in Melbourne today. So as I said, our time woodworking is going to be a springtime or summertime thing. We're all finished. What a great looking box. I finished it with Danish oil. It's got a red interior in it. It's come up pretty good for a box that was made just with factory tools and with hand tools. Okay guys, the box is all finished. Look at that. Come out great, didn't it? Now is the time that I've been dreading. I'm going to go in the city and I'm going to give this box away to somebody. And I am crapping myself, guys, but I don't talk to people very well. I get very tongue-tied when I approach people. So, I'm going to give this box away without talking to people. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Yes, I do. I'm going to put it in this bag, free, and I'm going to leave it on a path somewhere, and I'm going to stand back and see if I can get some sneaky shots of it, people picking it up. I'm going to leave a typed note in the box, telling the new owner all about the box. So, I don't know why I'm crapping myself. I'm doing something good here. I'm getting rid of a box, but I got too many boxes, as you know. It should be fun. It's a pretty cold day in Melbourne, though. So I'm going to drive the car near the city and then take the train into the city. I'm sure there'll be enough people out there to accept the box. I've just got to find somewhere where there's not too many people, but I don't want people to see me placing the box down, and enough people to walk by, so I don't have to wait all day in the bloody cold. It's going to be a fun trip, guys. It's going to be a fun trip. We'll see how we go. As I say, guys, it might turn out like the last video, a disaster movie. Thanks to people in the city today, all going to footy. So I'm going to find somewhere quiet to leave the box. Don't want it too quiet, I want people to walk by. But if we leave it out here, we're going about 2 seconds flat. So I just want to find somewhere more quieter. I'm kind of crapping myself too. I think I found a place to leave it. I think I'm going to leave it over by the anchor over there. And I'll stand over on the side there and see if I can get some great pics. And see how we go. I left it by the tree. Okay guys, someone's coming now, we'll see what happens. He's picking it up. Didn't take long, did it? He's reading the note. I'm trying to hide behind the tree there. Now he's showing it to his wife. His wife's having a look. And walking away. I'm back from my journey into the city, giving away my box. It was a bit of an experience, guys, a bit of an experience. I'm glad I didn't have to talk to anybody. There were the good things and the bad things about it. This was the best thing. This is the portable tripod cum selfie stick for my phone. That worked really well. The bad thing was that not everyone likes woodwork and not everyone likes handmade gifts. The people that opened the bag and took the box out and read the note, I thought they were going to take the box. They didn't. They put it back in the bag and walked off. So it just goes to show that there are all types in this world. Some people love handmade stuff, some people don't. And there were people that just didn't like it. I just left the bag there and we'll see if I get any response. But I left my Instagram handle in there. Experience, and I'm going to do it again in different ways. So I'll just play it by ear. But it was good to get out of the shed, and it was good to have that experience. So we'll see you again in the next episode, where we'll be making and giving away or going outside. I got no idea. Stay tuned for more adventures of Dash.